hour later.
Buntis.
Girl, ang saya-saya mo kanina. Ano daw, buntis ka ba? Sabi doon.
Ikaw no buntis. Ilok yang.
Sabi sa atin,
Sabi niya, ikaw no buntis. Ilok yang.
sabi din sa akin, no charger.
Lighter.
You're not pregnant, no baby, no chat. No, cannot be. Byron pas two. Buntis na po, girl. Sabi, no, hindi ba? Cannot be. No, cannot. Sabi ko ganyan. Ayan na. Sasara.
Siya nagtagalog eh.
Marunong siya.
No, ikaw no buntis.
Yung kanyang ano yun,
I said no.
yung kanyang ground steward yun, di ba? Sige, pag-depart, ano ka na, pakibabletch. Okay, may report kasi ako dito. Hinahawakan ko yung ano ng plane bago ako mag-flight, ganyan. Hinahawakan ko siyang ganyan. O, di ba? Pasok na ako. Ganyan, lagi ko ritual yan. Parang siyang blessing. Yes, 4-star airline. I think this is a full flight. Hi. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay. I think this is gonna be a full flight.
Mabuhay. We are delighted to welcome you on board Philippine Airlines. Our heartfelt thanks go to our Mabuhay Milers for your continued patronage of the flag carrier. We kindly request all passengers to remain in your assigned seats for the duration of this flight. If you are seated in an exit row,
50, ano tayo daddy? 52K. 52K. Dito yung manay sa last shot. Oops. There we go. 52K. Ito na.
Allow us to be of service to you
52K.
today.
O, diba? Nakita ko agad. 52K. Tabi ko si daddy ko. Aso pa di pa pa. O, yun. Alam niyo na na-reveal ko na. Charin. Kasi atin na sabi di ka. Ayan, yung last notebook niya. Kapag hindi naman, Aken! Sabi. Hello, Mare. Hi! Yes! O, diba? Saan ka pa? O, ito na po. Nandito na tayo sa 52K. Ayan. Yung kanina sa FA doon, para siya model ng sa video. Heart of the Philippines. Parang siya Philippine yun. No? Nandito yun eh. Teka, check ko nga. Nang ingay. Naka-jacket kasi kami. Winter dito sa Hong Kong. Pero, pagdating sa Pilipinas, mag-ginit na. Sino katabi mo, girl? This is a surprise. Eko. Seatbelt pala. Baka nagsiseatbelt. Seatbelt muna tayo.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to have you on board Philippine Airlines Flight CR319 bound for Manila.
Oo.
This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, vaping, use of electronic cigarettes is not allowed.
Awawal mo
Also,
Yossi.
ensure comfort and safety for passengers, including those with special.
Pero to be honest, ang init talaga. Tanggalin ko na yung jacket ko, girl.
Breathing from our family. We're here to make your journey as enjoyable as pleasantly as possible.
Mas naka seatbelt na tayo at saka yung ating jacket kasi ulo ng init. Ewan kung bakit. Siguro yung reflection ng winds. Wind. Ano yung init. So, hindi naman natin pwede i-cover yan kasi mag-take off tayo kailangan mo kasi ang mga pintana. Blinds. Sige, kasi tulog muna tayo. It's gonna be like 1 hour and 45 minutes hanggang to Manila. So, lang. Sige muna tayo.
Our first officer, Neil Mejia. This is your flight master, Cesar Agustin. The estimated flying time to Manila will take us approximately 1 hour and 50 minutes. And we shall be cruising in a signage of 33,000 feet. We will now be showing the safety feature using the aircraft. We have a speed to warning. And fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around the entrance waist. Your lifers are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On the waterland, you remove sharp objects from your body, stiff vessel head, thick tape around the waist and close.
Ay, kasi versa yun.
Sa upuan. Kasi,
Diba, ito nilandi mo kasi yung daw steward alam mo sinabit siya ng isang the whole room. Coke, please. Coke, please. Coke. White wine talaga? Saucy? Oo. Nag-white wine siya for change. Agay, cheers. Cheers. Oo, diba? Hindi. Coke pa rin ako. Girl, nabungol ako sa'yo. Red, white wine. Nilalasing ko siya, girl. Medyo nabitin lang ako sa aking kiddie meal. Girl, nabitin ako sa kiddie meal ko, girl. Kaya, parang nabitin lang talaga. Ganyan na lang food namin dito sa nabili ko kaliit. Para siya pang 7-Eleven, ano. Ganyan lang dito sa bag. Pero masarap siya. I got the beef with oyster sauce. Ayan, parang siyang tax. Pero sarap. Pero nabitin lang talaga ako. Yun lang. Hindi na siya ganun. May mga pa-dessert. May pa ano. Dessert niya ay maliit lang. 2 piraso. Mango. Fried mangoes. Ganun. Sige na. Okay rin na. Gutom ako. Bilis-bilis lang ng lunch namin or meal. Kasi bababa na rin kami. Landing na kami anytime soon. Kasi 1 hour 45 minutes na namin. Kasi ang flight from Alabang aga, 3:35. Ayan. So, magaling pa rin talaga ang mga pilot na.
Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The local time is 28 minutes past the hour 3 in the afternoon. And the date today is the 10th of February, 2025. The ground temperature is recorded to 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive the clearance to do so. May we remind you to take precaution when opening doors to storage bins to retrieve your items. This is a shifted during the flight. All passengers with connecting flights out of Manila will be given priority.
Okay.
On behalf of Captain Edwin Vargas and First Officer Neil Bequia, this is your flight purser, Cesar Agustin, thanking you all for flying Philippine Airlines.
Galing ng staff. Sumis ang pag-landing talaga. Yes.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I will remind you for all your baggages, please be mindful of
very
your
much
belongings
po.
throughout the flight and ensure
Beloved
your
City
valuable
in
items are
Manila.
secured.
Thank you for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And yes, welcome to Manila. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you. Ikaw ba yung model ng ano pa? I know, yeah. You're familiar. Thank you. Siya nga yung model ng PAL.
Thank you. Goodbye. Ingat po kayo. Salamat.
Thank you. Good flight. Good flight. Yeah, we're here na. Yes. O, diba? Nandito tayo sa tarmac.